to the 75th episode of the Engineering Update. Woo!
Yay. 75.
I'm Casey Panetta, Managing Editor of ECN, and in this week's episode, a laser for all weather conditions, a robotic couch, and a new design for football helmets. Getting certain weapons to operate properly in inclement weather can be pretty challenging because foggy or rainy conditions make lasers pretty useless.
A laser.
But new tests done at Eglin Air Force Base by Boeing and the Army revealed that the high-energy laser mobile demonstrator is still usable in conditions that would normally render lasers useless. Though the laser had previously been put through its paces in New Mexico, the fact that it managed to handle mortars and UAVs in rainy, windy Florida means Boeing has taken it to the next level. All in all, the weapon was able to acquire, track, and engage targets in a variety of environments. This is the Army's first mobile high-energy laser counter-rocket artillery and mortar platform. It uses a 10-kilowatt laser on an Oshkosh tactical military vehicle. Overall, the laser has engaged more than 150 aerial targets. Next up, the Army plans to use a 50 or 60 kilowatt laser to demonstrate how the technology responds at a tactically significant power level.
Okay, so it's our 75th episode. Let's get this out of the way.
Yes, friends, the new Turbo Ginsu! Woohoo! It dices, it slices, and yet makes French fries in 3 different... Whoops!
And that's about the 7th time I've used that. 9 engineering students at the University of New South Wales in Australia have created the perfect addition to any man cave or for when you just don't feel like getting up to grab a snack. Some hardworking students expended great effort creating the robocouch, an invention for the absolute laziest among us. The irony is, well, palpable. Electric motors drive the wheels and the entire contraption is controlled with an Xbox gamepad. The students clearly are intimately familiar with their target audience, if they're not a part of it themselves. Because when you're engrossed in a marathon gaming session, who wants to waste valuable energy walking across the room? I know I don't. According to the university's press release, the standard wood frame houses a custom steel chassis fitted with 4 independently controlled mechanism wheels, allowing for omnidirectional movement. The controller communicates with a Raspberry Pi hidden in one of the armrests, and this is only the first step. The team wants to create other robotic white goods like robotic refrigerators, which when paired with a portable bathroom, would eliminate the need to ever get up.
With the start of football season comes the reemergence of discussions about the health of players and the impact of repeated head-on collisions. Though there have been a bunch of different design options for new helmets, Riddels Speedflex has a new helmet out they hope might make the difference. It looks like a regular helmet, but utilizes material in a way that will hopefully offer some cushioning. First of all, the helmet has a rubber padded panel that offers about 6 millimeters of give when compressed. It's located near the player's forehead, so during a head-on collision, the material will offer a little more cushioning, similar to a crumple zone on a car. The design also incorporates a stainless steel mask attached at 4 different points and designed to absorb the shock in those 4 areas versus a traditional helmet, which would take all the pressure near the forehead. You can also add sensors into the lining, which will detect any significant impact to the player and notify the coach that something might be wrong. That's all for our 75th video. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and see past episodes at ecnmag.com. For the ECN channel, I'm Casey Panetta, and this has been your Engineering Update.